Barb, this is our Yarn Discovery Tour
I
yarn.
know.
So every year for Yarn Discovery Tour, which is our local shop our local yarn shop crawl, takes place in September, and every year I design something new and exclusive for a month for during the tour, and we get we pair one of our yarns with a dyed yarn from a favorite dyer, and this year it's going to be from Feederbrook Farm again. We love working with her yarn, so it's one of her Entropy gradients, and this is the box. So this is one of the boxes, not just the, we have way more yarn than this. So we're going to open it now, and wait a minute. This was taped up again.
I wonder if somebody already peeked.
Did somebody already peek? She just can't help herself. She just sneaks in and
I'm a
does it.
sneak.
This was supposed to be a real unboxing with a newly taped box.
Do you want me to get the big box? I didn't open it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Did somebody else open it?
Somebody else might
No,
have
we'll
opened
just deal with this.
it. Seriously, I was on vacation, so I did not open this box.
Somebody
She did.
peeked. No, I didn't. I had my sample skein, so I knew what it looked like. All right. Anyway, all right. We were trying to do a genuine box opening this time, and somebody peeked. All right. Okay. Let me cut through these 8 layers of tape here. Ooh. Okay. How much do you love this? Look at this beautiful color. Oh my God.
This is the hot color for 2021.
Hot pink. It's got hot pink, magenta, some orange, some pinky
gorgeous.
orange, and it's like a flower garden. It's like zinnias, but we're calling it. So our little personal theme for the Yarn Discovery Tour is kind of like hallucinogenic color, you know, mod color, mad color. So we're calling it Magic Mushrooms, and we have, you know, when you sign up for the Yarn Discovery Tour and you buy a passport and you buy something, you just have to spend $10. You get a special little gift with your purchase, and this year every shop is giving a special stitch marker. So our stitch marker goes along with the theme of the hallucinogenic magic mushroom. But the design is real pretty. It's a floral, 2-color mosaic, magic mosaic stitch pattern. I think you'll like it. We'll be doing a reveal of that pretty soon, I think.
Shortly.
Probably sneak peeks on Instagram soon. I love this skein. The thing about Entropy is that when especially if you're able to shop in person, you can kind of root through the skeins and pick which one you want. But that's actually not a good tactic, because then you're like, I want this one, and I think I want this one too, and then I think I want and this one.
Yeah.
So you end up with like 3 skeins. But this one is really pretty.
That one is.
I know. It's going to go back in the box and get mixed up with everything else now.
And then we
That
always
one's
go
kinda
through
like
and
it,
kind of match them up if you want more
Yeah,
than one skein.
If you want 2 skeins.
We lay them all out on the table.
Yep. Because some of them will be a little more orangey, some of them a
But
little
they
more
all
pink.
blend
So
together.
you know, we hand select for people as much as we can until it gets down to the last couple, and then we have to be like, well, we have to give you what we have to give you. Anyway, Yarn Discovery Tour coming up soon. We'll be selling passports the very, very last part of August. And the tour begins September 7th and runs through the month of September. So you can participate virtually like last year, or you can come in person to our shop. It's within 100 miles of Michigan, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Canada even. So come and visit us if you're close enough. Bring a friend. See you at the Yarn Discovery Tour.